Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. This gentle Qigong sequence is designed to support balance, relaxation, and energy. Now, let's get started. Begin standing, feet hip-width, knees are slightly bent, send the hips slightly back to relax the entire body. That would allow the energy to flow better. And bring your hands over your head, gently cup the top of the head, the back of the head. 2 more times. And then use your fingers, like 3 fingers, tap around your ears. Stay a little longer over the temple, and then continue to go along the outline of the ears. And now go along the base of the hairline to the middle part. That is the wound mansion, a powerful point in the governing channel of the body. We'll do that one more time along the ears. You may close your eyes, maybe stay a little longer over the temple area. And then go along the back of the ear, the hairline, the middle part, along the governing channel to the C7. Now lower the arms down. I know the arms get a little sore. Roll your fist in. And change direction. And now we're going to cup the left shoulder head. This is where the long meridian originates. It's very good for clearing the lungs. Okay, change side. I'm going to cup the chest, the rib cage. The stomach meridian travels through here, slightly to the side. That's where the liver meridians and situate, and the liver meridian. You feel like a little bloated, just gently cupping would help. And now continue down to the abdominal. And to the hip crease. This feels good. This is the leg gate. And now the hip points. And then tap the lower back. This is where the door of life, in the middle, along the spine. Very good. It just helped energy to flow better. And now, bring the arms up and pulling down the heavens. Inhale, reach the arms up towards the sky. Exhale, drawing down the energy from the crown of your head. Slow and silky movements. You can also imagine you're taking a qi shower. The universal love energy comes in through the crown of your head. The Bai Hui point cleanses all the internal organs and the systems. Now bring your hands to your lower abdomen. From here, we're holding our hands as if we're making an offer. Lengthen the arms forward and then flip the palms. Open the arms to the side. Leg come up straight. And continue to keep the knee slightly bent, forward arm. This is bear swimming in the ocean. This movement helps open the lungs, as the lungs originates from the front of the shoulder and travel along the top, inner edge of the arm. The lungs governs inspiration and vitality. Feeling inspired as we're drawing in the breath of life. Feeling you can breathe deeper. And bring the hands back. Lengthen the arms forward. And then we're going to pull the hands back towards your waist. And from here, spiral your arms. Turn it outside. And lengthen the arms forward. And draw back. The bear is still swimming in the ocean. Now the lower border of the arm flipped upward. Notice this rotation of the arms and the wrists. This movement helps to strengthen the heart as we're stimulating the heart meridian that travels along the lower border of the arms, ends at the tip of the pinky. And bring the hands back to your waist. The next movement is parting the clouds. Turn the left foot out and begin to push your arms forward and up. Your hands are opening the clouds, parting the clouds away. Letting the light to shine in to your heart. The healing yang energy, Tai Yang in Chinese, that's the sun. That's where we get our yang energy, vitality. Shifting forward and slightly back. Strengthen the back leg. Bring the hands back. Now turn the right foot out to the side. Now push forward and up and open the clouds. Through this slow and graceful movement, finding more clarity each time you open the arms, parting the clouds away, finding more mobility in your shoulder joints. One more. And bring the hands back to center. Now lift both hands up and then begin to separate them. The left hand goes up, bottom hand goes down. But you send the upper hand towards the head as you push the bottom hand towards the opposite direction. Finding this wonderful stretch through the side to stretch the liver meridian and the gallbladder meridian. And alternate fingers, try to keep the fingers straight. Here's this rotation through the hands, the pinky side facing your face, and the same other hand, pinky side goes up. Spiral your arms. One more on each side. So two hands are pushing towards opposite direction. See if you can parallel your palms. Bring the hands back. And we're going to bring up the happy bouncing, happy, relaxed energy. Breathe out through the mouth. And bring your hands to your lower abdomen. Lengthen the arms forward, slightly bending the knees. Extend the arms out to the side. This is Pebble in the pond. Visualize your feet are touching the pebbles. Feel that soothing, refreshing sensation. And imagine your hands gently gliding through a serene pond. Feel the water flow around them. And bring the hands back. Stack your palms over your lower dantian, that is beneath the navel. And you might close your eyes. For female, the left hand is the dominant hand, so left over right. For male, it is reversed. Let your body sway naturally, like bamboo, moving gracefully in a gentle breeze. This is bamboo in the wind. Allow the gentle breeze to help clear your mind, release tension, and leave you feeling grounded and refreshed. Here we end our today's practice. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this gentle sequence. Let me know how it went for you. Leave me a comment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself.